Okay, here we go. Now we're filming again, boys.
We're filming.
I dropped my nut.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Why are you taking it all the way up? Can't we just slide it down?
Because it's easier. Yeah. Scotty, don't question me.
Yes.
You two shut up.
We didn't say one word.
You're over there giggling.
That's okay. You can
I don't know nothing about doing no action.
Yeah.
Come on.
Finished off the front end on that 56 T-Bird.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That was good.
All new control arm bushings, all new ball joints, a hammer and a chisel to break everything free of the schmegma that just built up and got crushed.
Scraping of schmegma for
Oh,
hours.
the ball joints had this much crust on them. You couldn't even see around the arm that controls the
Really?
tie rod for the outer. You couldn't. There was nothing like same thing here on this one. But I think possibly worse.
Wow.
So I just scrubbed it all off and let it soak in like a vapor rust, and then repainted the front end.
And I've gotten so good with drum brakes.
I was surprised it came out pretty good.
Okay, there we are. We're ready. Flip it through, down, axle through here.
Shove it in the hole.
Thanks, Scotty.
Careful, careful, don't hurt yourself.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll put these on the table.
Aim it with the other one.
There we go.
There we go. Let me get my fingers out. I value them.
That was your finger.
So are those two plates holding?
All
Okay.
right, so if we hold this up just a little bit,
Yes.
Yeah,
it's ready to go.
Notches in it. I can't really make that.
And that's gonna go over.
so
All right.
if we hold this up just a little bit, Bobby, grab the other end.
You ready?
Go.
There's a lot of ankle breakers.
Check it out. And you're there.
And we're
That's all
good.
it takes.
And it's done.
It'll took even less pressure.
Yeah, that was
It was
up to
only
what?
at, it was at 14.
Yeah, so that's that. All right. So before
Ready?
we put these back in, there you go. There you go, Peter. What do you think of that?
How do you know it's done? Like,
It bottoms out. Once it bottoms out, it's fine.
You stop.
You can see. You can see.
Well, when that
it'll
pressure
be moving.
takes
pressure
off the
will
end,
spike, yeah.
you should stop then right before.
Which is why you got to be really careful.
Yeah, we don't want that to explode. All right, so
like something downshifted.
Are you pushing?
yeah,
I don't know. I think it needs to
we
be
probably need
bled
to bleed it. There it is.
Like 5 times.
Yeah. It needs to be bled.
All right, that's done.
When it comes to stuff,
Okay, on to the next
A lot
plan.
of people will try it.
Okay, gang. So, before we put that back in, boys, axle seal. Let's make sure, in the yellow box or those, either one, I brought multiples to make sure.
No, there's only one.
Yeah, there's gonna be one on each side. Okay, so that fits there. Those are the same thing. I brought those from the shop. I picked these up at O'Reilly. I just want to make sure. Yes, we do.
Either that or a lot of times you just
So,
seals.
yeah, so that's why I want to make sure. So, we're going to pull this out. How do we do that? Who wants to have fun trying to pull that out? Thank you, Grant, for reading the whole thing. But the seal puller, the hook, the hooker does not work
We'll make it work.
because it does not go in deep enough.
Doesn't work. Let me get your money back.
And she's a slut.
Watch.